Look at them rocks. Get much further, but it's all ice the rest of the way. Watch that front brake.
I don't touch my front brake.
Hi, welcome to the channel. So we are out with Brandon, one of my subscribers on YouTube. Met up with him over by Tombstone. And we're off out in the mountains here. He's going to show us some trails that he knows. We already went on one. We're going to this China base camp now, it's called. But it looks like there's other stuff out here too.
What's that saying?
Yeah, I felt that. He is on a KTM. What did he say that thing was?
690?
Yeah.
Or 650? Something like
690, 690. Everything on KTM is like 90. 390, 490.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why, but that's what they say.
Probably just be different.
Evidently.
And that way, whenever somebody mentions a number, you know who they're talking about.
Yeah, you say, oh, I have a 690. Oh, okay, you got a KTM.
It's kind of like talking about trucks. You say like a 1500 or something like that, or like
Yeah.
a 150. You know they're talking about either Dodge or Ford.
Exactly.
Well, I guess Chevy has the 1500 stuff too, so.
If you say F-150, you know it's a Ford.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I spot.
There's a few eye spots today. You got to watch them, that's for sure.
Did a javelina just run across the road?
Oh, I didn't see it.
I think a javelina just ran up there.
I didn't even see it. Oh, there it is, right there. There's one.
Yep, there's another one. That was a javelina.
Yeah, it was. That's a pretty good size one. That's one like on Red Dead.
Yeah. Might take a little bit longer to skin one.
No doubt. Oh, probably. It'd be nice if it was that easy.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Look at that javelina.
That's a big javelina.
That's a big javelina right there. That's some ribeyes is what that is. Ooh, that was solid sheet ice there. Uh-oh. Somebody there. In the last video, we tried to go up to April Mine, but there was so much ice and snow up there, we got so far we couldn't go no further. I might have been able to, but it was just too sketchy.
Yeah, I definitely didn't expect that.
Oh. Well, we're at 5,500 feet elevation here, and there is some snow up this high. Not much, but I'd like to have seen it back when it snowed. I bet you it was pretty good snow up here.
Oh, man, I bet.
Before it's melted down as much. I don't know if it's done for the year or not. We'll see if there's any later. It may not be done for the year up in the mountains. Probably going to get more up in here. That back tire, that DUALSPORT's a little better on there.
Oh, 10 times better.
Than that stock tire.
crazy how much of a difference it makes, even though I still got that stupid front tire on here that ain't worth a damn.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, if you had a good front tire, you would be doing good. Makes a big difference.
Look at all that snow up in there.
Quite a bit
Oh,
up
and
there.
on that mountain. Look at that.
Yeah. Higher you go, the more there is.
It actually looks cool like that.
Yeah. It's
white with all the greenery popping out.
on the shaded side. Melted off on the sunny side. We didn't see none of this when before we got over here. Because the other side of the mountain, you couldn't see no snow. It's beautiful up in here.
Yeah, it is. It's really nice.
Like these mountains. Look at that one to the right up there. How big old rock up there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Way up there, and over to the left, there's another one. That's a tall one on the left. So you get up there.
And quit telling me to look at the scenery. I'm going to go off.
Yeah, well, you better watch the road first, scenery second. Or you'll be seeing the ditch.
Yeah. Instead of being on the road watching the scenery, you'll be in the scenery watching the road.
Yeah, exactly. Looking down at the road.
Yep. Well, in this case, it might be looking up.
I can't believe we're at 5,600 feet here. We're higher here than we was back there where I last said that.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, I thought we went downhill.
Ice.
Uh-oh. Hang on. Solid ice. Well, that's slick too right there. Nothing soft about that one. Get that water on top, it is slick.
Oh, yeah.
Can't believe 70 degrees in January.
And there's snow on the ground.
Yeah, it's snow on the ground. That's the weird part. Back in Missouri, it's probably back in Missouri, probably 5 degrees, and there's snow on the ground.
Yeah, 70 in the desert and snow in the ground.
Yeah, no doubt. High desert.
I almost pulled that one into a straight wheelie. You see that?
I did. I think that.
Dang, just a little bit more power over it.
So Brandon up here and his wife, they're RV living like we do. Pretty cool. They live at Tombstone. Or just pretty close to Tombstone, I guess. Uh-oh. So where we turn?
Oh, that's cool. You see that big old mountain over there?
Yeah, I do. That's cool. And a base camp. Uh-oh. More javelinas. Angus javelinas. That's pretty cool up here. What if we're going to that rock?
Yeah, it is pretty nice right through here.
Yeah.
Not too simple, not too hard.
Yeah.
Just
loose,
right.
Loose rock. Wow. Pretty sweet.
Dang, that is cool. What a hell of a view.
I'll wipe my GoPro lens off. You still here? That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Jeez. I need to keep my freaking eyes on the road.
Yeah, no kidding. Me too.
I keep wanting to look up at it because it's awesome.
I don't want to get it on the camera here for people to see. Kind of like when you're up at April Mine, you're looking back on these, I think. You know what I mean?
Yeah, neighbor one?
Yeah, remember how when we're up there on that one peak and you're looking at them rocks?
Oh, possibly. Yeah, I'd say my back tire grips a lot better. I ain't having no problems.
Yeah, like these are way better in stock. And I knew that Tusk D-Sport's a good rear tire.
This is awesome for a $70 tire.
Yeah.
I mean, like half the price for a tire.
You can't beat it for the price. To me, it's as good as this Tractionator. A lot less money. My only complaint about it is it's so dang stiff, which is a good thing in some ways. Probably flat proof pretty much. Holy cow, look at them rocks.
God dang. That's cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, do you know how whenever we were growing up and you'd be driving the car somewhere, you'd say, "Don't tell me to look, I'm trying to drive."
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, I know. Didn't have to tell you to look anyway, you can see it.
Yeah, I know. The good thing about being on a dual sport, not a car.
Right, yeah, you don't miss much. Oh, wow, that's awesome.
This is freaking sweet.
On the right.
We're gonna get some good bike pictures here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
This one's definitely scenic.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Wow. I mean, we're going right up in this stuff.
This is freaking sweet, man. Just that way I got much farther. Dang, this is so cool.
That's crazy. Look at them rocks. Get much further, but it's all ice the rest of the way. Watch that front brake.
I don't touch my front brake. I don't use it on the rocks. You think I'm going to use it on the ice?
Yes,
Decently
nice.
slushy through here.
Yeah, there's a little slush there. That helps when it's soft. Not as bad. This tire kind of bites into it a little bit.
Oh, there he is.
Wow, that is stupid cool.
That is pretty sweet.
We gotta get a picture from up here, I think. Might get one down there. I don't know if it'd be a good one. Park your bike there kind of by his, we'll see. See if I can get a picture angle with a rock in the background with our bikes parked here. I know, ain't that crazy? I guess you come camping out here, huh?
Supposedly the base camp planet versus a mate.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Good one.
Oh, I bet.
I saved that location. I just had to do that. You know what I mean? Are you on here?
Yeah.
Oh. He said go on. I don't know where the heck I'm going. See how much snow we get into up here. That was a cool ride.
Oh, yeah. Had a
Okay.
pretty good ride so far today.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Catch you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next adventure. Right on.